Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. I do videos on YouTube, Jacob Vile.
Yeah.
Could you tell me your name and what's in here?
My name's Jake. I got two Resilient Sound Gold 12s on a JP23.
Okay.
Mids and highs are all Pioneer Pro.
Hey, just let him know what I told you.
That 5-cube box, 32 hertz.
Okay.
Little loud, little low.
Yes, sir. All right.
Can I see the back? Yeah.
All right. Gonna have to open from the outside. All right. Where's the port? Oh, there it is. Okay.
There it is.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the quick walk around we just got of Jake's system he showcased at the Made of Steel show in 2021. This was at the Tampa, Florida area location. So if you haven't already, go ahead and comment. Let him know what you like about his system, as well as give him a like. Did a really good job showcasing it. So I like the way he has the layout of the box. The port placement was a little bit different, but I did notice that when the bass was playing, it played pretty low. So I think the trunk cabin resonance frequency kind of helped react with the box enclosure. Noticed he had his amplifiers mounted on top of the box. Never recommended to do that, but if he didn't have anywhere else to put them, it gets the job done. So if you noticed when we were showing the video, I always like to find out where the port location is. Having the port right here on the left side of the driver's seat may have a little bit of interference with how the trunk was blocking part of it, so it couldn't breathe, but that might have helped with a low-end tuning response. During the demo, you'll see it played pretty low frequencies. Majority of the demos I get in trunk systems always have the port and subs facing the same way, so this is a little bit unique style. And you notice he has extra AGM batteries to help support the electrical system on this 2,300 watt RMS amplifier rated at 14.4 volts, the JP23. Subwoofers are being rated at 1,000 watts RMS, makes it a pretty good couple match for the amplifier to subwoofer ratio power RMS rating. So we're going to be getting to the car audio bass demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio videos coming your way every day. And sorry about the copyright issues during this demo, but enjoy.
Sir? All right.
Back and relax, relax. You're about to get rustified. It's TJ Rusticles. Sit back.
Sit back and relax. Relax. You're about to get rustified.
Saying love is more precious than gold. It can't be bought, and it can't be sold. I got love,
Thank you. Nice to meet you. Have a good day.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeAVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.